Greetings, my 2021 V family. This is your chief first Wednesday message of the greatest year for all of us, 2021. All right, guys, it's been an amazing first few days of 2021. All right, I hope that my Instagram, my social media videos, my Sunday Instagram live is slowly waking everyone up for this crossover period. Now, the greatest danger of crossing to a new year is this period of 5 days before, 5 days after New Year's Day, where I call it the no man's land, where everything is confusing and people are just getting their lives in order. So here is your chief, all right, representing the great ones, Dato Sri Vijay Japras Bismarck, telling you, wake up! It started, all right? The year has started. That is my first clarity that I want to give you. The second clarity that I need to give you is 2020 is over. Get over it. Alright? Forget the successes because it's gone. Past glories do not define you in the area of network marketing, in the area of e-commerce entrepreneurship. Forget the failures. Learn from them, but let it go. And start this year with the right energy, with the right aura, with the right belief, right? With the right spirit, the right passion, the right intensity. Because if you start the year wrong, it's hard to correct it after a while. But if you start the year right, you're on the right track, guys. All right? And I am maintaining I haven't slept for days, guys. All right? I have not slept and I'm going crazy because I have this ball of fire in my heart. So much energy, so much passion. I'm so freaking excited about 2021. It's crazy. I'm already counting, all right, the number of max out kings and queens that I'm going to deliver to my uplines, Japras Bismarck and the great one, Dato Sri Vijay. I'm thinking about new markets that Qnet and the V are planning to go to. Amazing new products, new organizations that are going to be born, and you guys rising and rising and rising even higher than you ever did from the first day you signed up. But let me ask you a question. Right? As we start this year, are you truly ready for this journey? Are you truly in the right space mentally, spiritually, all right, to carry on for another year of building your organization, paying the price with a smile? I don't care, I love it. All right, helping people rise, overcoming challenges. And on this Wednesday message, I'm passionate, but I'm also emotional. And I need to remind you on week 1 of 2021 of the most important thing on our journey. That a lot of people get confused about network marketing. Network marketing can sometimes, crowd your mind and cloud your mind and remove clarity. And on this Wednesday message, the first of the month, I want to bring back some clarity to you. Whether you are brand new watching my video, all right, my Wednesday message in 2021, whether you've been around for a long time, I need to remind you right now of the most important thing of your 2021 journey. And that is your reason. That is your dream. And the danger is, I've seen too many people get so busy doing stuff, so busy focusing on the dream, but they forget what the dream is. So on week 1, 2021, on my first Wednesday message of the year, I want you to remember again. I want you to answer this question. And I know it's not easy. I know it's going to be with great difficulty. That you may have lost track. That maybe you're doing things for the wrong reason today. And that's why you're not succeeding. But I got to ask you this question. Do you still remember your reason? Do you still remember your dream of why you're doing this? What is the purpose of this journey to you? You, specifically to you. What is your dream? Have you forgotten? Have you truly found it? And that means if you're going to start the year, start it right. If you're going to start this journey, then do it right. And refresh, reboot, especially that dream. Because without the dream, 2021 is just going to be another year. Without the dream, everything becomes too painful. Without the dream, alright, you're not going to push yourself. You're going to give up mentally and eventually quit. So I am here as your chief, representing the great ones, Japaras, Bismarck and Dato Sri Vijay, to remind you that this journey makes no sense. That success will never be within your reach unless you have a dream you're willing to fight for, a dream you're willing to die for. So on this first week, take a few minutes, an hour, half an hour, sit down in solitude and remember your dream. Remember why. And get that clarity first in your mind. And then 2021 will be the most unbelievable year, I promise you that. The second clarity, alright, that this journey of yours this year must be defined by you. There are a lot of people say, allow the journey to define me. No, you define this journey. You raise the bar at every single aspect of your journey. Right? Starting from the number of presentations you do. Right? Starting from your goals, your weekly TAT, your energy, the way you speak, the videos you make, everything. You must define this journey this year. Because only when you define it will people follow. That's the second clarity. Don't allow 2021 to define you. You define 2021 and it will be unforgettable. The third clarity, you're not here to sing Kumbaya. That I want you to recognize the fact that this journey has a vastly understood destination. 2 words, max out. That I need you to focus on those 2 words to a fanatic level and do whatever it takes. But be consistent. That if you want financial freedom, if you want the dreams you have, if you want to give back to your family, it's not going to happen for free. It requires money. And the sooner you have that clarity, the better. That nothing, the world will not move without money. Alright? And I'm not saying money is the only thing, guys. But let's wake up and smell the coffee. Why else are you here? Alright? Because money is not good or bad. People are. And Dato Sri Vijay's vision of creating millionaires around the world who are good people, who believe in rhythm, who believe in service, will make this world a better place. And you know the ultimate goal financially is to get to max out. Is it doable? Yes. Is it possible? 100%. Has it been done by millions of morons around the world? Yes. But they believed in it. They wanted it. Now, are you serious about max out? Do you really want it? That clarity you must have. And the final clarity on this Wednesday message is that you cannot go anywhere alone in network marketing. The 2021 is not only about you, but it's about the people you raise, the people you pull out, the people you pull up, the people you take from 250 to 500 to 1,000 to 2,000 to 5,000 to 10,000 to max out. That That defines you on this journey. So the question you must consistently ask yourself in 2021, how many people am I raising? How many people am I raising? Because you cannot rise alone in network marketing. It has never happened. It will never happen. All right? You rise and raise others. And then you rise again, raise others. Rise, raise, rise, raise, rise, raise, rise and raise. Consistently. That's what you need to do. That is the fourth clarity. That this year, raise others. This year, announce max out kings and queens under you. And you will be a consistent max out king or queen. And finally, guys, on this emotional Wednesday message, I'm all over the place in my heart right now. Recognize the fact that this is our time. 2020, the pandemic was still chaotic. But now, economies have collapsed. That means there are millions and millions and millions of people looking for a home. A home that gives them love, hope, empowers them to dream, makes them achieve those dreams, gives them financial freedom, builds them, raises them higher every single day. They want to belong to a family. And that is Dato Sri Vijay's family. That means right now, this year, the number one culture, the number one behavior pattern is to go out there and talk to everyone and anyone, anywhere and everywhere. Like a mentally fanatic network marketing machine. As people are waiting. They're waiting for you. So wake up. Smell the coffee. Remember, this year belongs to us. This year is your time to shine. So don't crawl into 2021. Leap into 2021 with an unbelievable energy from here to everywhere, guys. This year, don't allow 2021 to define you. I want you to define 2021. Happy New Year. I love you guys. And stay glued to my social media. It's going to rock. And make sure this Wednesday message goes out to everyone in the world. Because 2021 belongs to Qnet and the V. I love you guys.